Tapo camera night vision issues usually stem from a few key causes: outdated firmware, incorrect IR settings, environmental factors like dust, or hardware defects. In most cases, it's a software or settings issue that's easily resolved. Neglecting to update your camera's firmware is the biggest culprit, followed by misconfigured IR settings. Access your Tapo camera's settings through the Tapo app. Navigate to the camera settings and then night vision. Ensure night mode is set to auto. Experiment with the IR LED intensity settings low, medium, high. If you're experiencing glare, try setting it to smart if available. Proper adjustment here can significantly improve night vision quality. Firmware updates are crucial for fixing bugs and improving performance. Open the Tapo app, go to Camera Settings, and check for a firmware update. If an update is available, install it. Many night vision problems, like flickering IR LEDs or complete failure, are resolved with these updates. The most recent updates, late 2025 and onward, version 1.350 plus, specifically address common night vision issues. Ensure the camera lens is clean and free of dust or obstructions. Wipe the lens with a microfiber cloth. Avoid placing the camera behind glass, as this can cause reflections and reduce night vision effectiveness. Be aware of extreme temperatures, as overheating LEDs can impact performance, especially in humid climates. Tapo cameras automatically activate night mode when the surrounding light level falls below 10 lux. This threshold helps distinguish between daytime and nighttime conditions. The built-in lux sensor detects ambient light levels to trigger night mode. However, artificial lights nearby might confuse the sensor, preventing proper switching or causing false activations. If automatic switching fails, override night mode manually in the Tapo app. This allows testing different modes to ensure proper operation. For battery-powered Tapo cameras, night vision can drain the battery quickly. Check for sleep mode settings in the app. Firmware updates have introduced improvements in battery efficiency. Ensure your firmware is up to date to take advantage of these optimizations. Reduce IR intensity if you are experiencing short battery life. Newer Tapo cameras feature AI-driven analytics like Smart Vision. This technology uses machine learning to optimize night vision without manual adjustment. Make sure you're using the latest Tapo app version to access these features. Check for regional firmware variants if living in extreme humid or tropic locations, as these are designed to counter region-specific issues. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Tapo camera's night vision still isn't working, it could indicate a hardware defect. Contact TP-Link support for assistance or consider replacing the camera, especially if it's still under warranty. Before contacting support, document your troubleshooting steps and firmware version for faster assistance.